Hello everyone, you are welcome to another video. So in today's video we are going to look at Power BI query refresh settings. Now, as we all know, within the Home tab and underneath the queries option, you find the refresh button. So categorically or by default, what this refresh button helps you to do is to refresh the queries, refresh the tables, and refresh every connection that is within your data model. But then there's a way you can make adjustments to these settings. Now, when you come to the queries pane within the Power Query Editor, you'll find the individual tables. And within the individual tables, you can right-click on any one of them, and when you right-click within the box, you find the option which says include in reports refresh. So when you deselect this or you uncheck it, what that means is that you are excluding that particular query or that particular table from being refreshed whenever you hit the refresh button. So it means that table is excluded from being refreshed. Now I want to minimize this Power Query Editor, and within the model view in our table in the Power BI desktop, I'll click on this refresh button, and you can see the two tables have been refreshed: AW products and AW sales. Okay, so that is because I have not made adjustments to the settings yet. Now, if I am to come to the Power Query Editor, and then let's assume I don't want AW sales to be refreshed, I only want AW products. I'll right click, and then I'll click on I'll deselect this include in reports refresh. Let me confirm that. You can see it has been deselected. Then when I come to the Power BI desktop and I click on refresh, can you see only AW sales has been refreshed? And you can also see that the processing time is faster as compared to the earlier refresh. So that is how you can be able to make adjustments to the refresh settings. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.